In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable XML sitemap generation in WordPress. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over your XML sitemaps, ensuring they align perfectly with your website's SEO strategy. Let's kick off by installing and activating an SEO plugin, which will help us manage the sitemap functionality more effectively. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, locate the Plugins option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Add New. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of a reliable SEO plugin. Some popular choices include Yoast SEO, Rank Math SEO, or the All-in-One SEO pack. Choose the one that best suits your needs and click the Install Now button. After the plugin is installed, don't forget to activate it. Simply click on the Activate button that appears on the same page to complete this step. This action will integrate the plugin into your WordPress site, ready for you to utilize its features. Next, it's time to enable your plugin's sitemap functionality. This is crucial for making sure the plugin can manage your sitemaps instead of WordPress's core feature. When your newly installed plugin is active, it usually takes over the sitemap tasks automatically. However, it's always good practice to double-check this in the plugin's settings. Let's take Yoast SEO as an example. Navigate to the SEO option on your WordPress dashboard, then click on General. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Features. Within this section, look for the option that says XML Sitemaps. Make sure the toggle next to it is set to On. What this does is ensure that Yoast SEO is in charge of generating your site's XML sitemaps. Yoast will intelligently redirect any requests from the WordPress core sitemap URL to its own, ensuring that your sitemap aligns with the optimizations set by the plugin. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the default XML sitemap generation in WordPress and allowed your selected SEO plugin to take over. This not only aligns your sitemaps with the latest SEO practices, but also gives you more streamlined and customizable sitemap functionality thanks to the plugin's features. Remember, keeping your sitemaps aligned with your SEO strategy is essential for making your site more search engine friendly. Plus, using a trusted SEO plugin helps keep everything organized and efficient. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the plugin's settings or explore the plugin's documentation and support forums for additional help. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.